Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find a serial number in our Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for serial number? Of course in settings. So settings, and at the bottom of this menu is section about phone. In here we have our serial number as well as model name, IMEI numbers, etc. Our serial number is right here. This number should match the one on the box. We can also do it faster. We can just open our phone, enter this magical code, and here is our serial number at the bottom right here also. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.